And here's how you make the perfect cooked boiled egg. When the water starts to boil, you want to put a lid on, turn out the fire, set the timer for about 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and show you what it looks like. Once they're done boiling, you're going to put them in a pan of cold water. This is called shocking. So you'll shock them for a few minutes, and then I will show you the perfectly cooked boiled egg. So there you have it. We have our eggs all nice and peeled and prepared. And so we are going to cut one of these babies open and see what she looks like on the inside. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked boiled eggs every time. There's no no green, just beautiful yellow yolk. And that's how you do it. That's how you do it right, the right way. And you know I'm right about it. Cooking with Sandra, that's meatless. Cooking with Sandra. Bon appetit.